In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Power BI ST. To get started, open the Google Sheet you want to work with. You can use an existing spreadsheet or a brand new one. The important part is that you are inside Google Sheets and you can see the top menu bar across the page. Next, go to the menu at the top and click Extensions. This is where Google Sheets keeps tools that add extra features beyond the default spreadsheet options. If you do not see extensions right away, make sure your browser window is wide enough, since menus can sometimes collapse when space is limited. Inside Extensions, click Add-ons. This section is for finding and managing add-ons that can connect your sheet to other platforms and services. These add-ons are often used for importing data, exporting data, or syncing data automatically. After you click Add-ons, choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for add-ons and install them directly into Google Sheets. Take a moment here because the Marketplace may load in a pop-up window or a new tab depending on your browser settings. If nothing appears, check whether pop-ups are blocked. Once the Marketplace is open, click into the search bar and type Highlight. Enter the search so the results refresh. Be careful to type the word clearly, since small spelling mistakes can change the results you see. In the search results, find and click the listing called Coefficient, Salesforce, HubSpot Data Connector. This is the connector being selected in these steps, and it is commonly used to pull data into Google Sheets, so it can then be used in reporting tools like Power BI. When you click the listing, it will open the add-on details page where you can review what it does. Finally, click Highlight, which refers to selecting the appropriate on-screen option to proceed from that page, such as the main action button on the add-on listing. At this point, you are moving forward with the connector so it can be used from inside Google Sheets. That covers everything you need to know.